So don't anybody say anything.
Fish, Bill?
Yeah, I am. Would you?
Can you keep that camera steady?
Give me.
Like it blows. People shot, so I'm gonna get away.
Eric.
Looking for a spot to fall in, or what?
I mean, some of the ice is okay. Some of this ice is interesting. Turn the camera.